Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'm back with a new video. And in this video, we are going to talk about the new Apple foldable iPhone. But before we start the video guys, please make sure to subscribe the channel and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link somewhere in description below. So after brands like Samsung and Motorola, Apple has also joined the party to create a new foldable iPhone. As we all know that Apple is always a little bit reluctant to do experiments and they always try to play safe. But now after the launch of smartphones like Samsung Z Flip and Motorola Razr, and the positive feedbacks these devices are getting and are being considered as the future of smartphones, Apple has also decided to launch its own foldable iPhone. However, new patents suggest that Apple might be heading in a different direction, which means that instead of making a foldable smartphone, they are working on a device that will have dual screen, which is quite similar to the LG dual screen. The LG dual screen had a huge bezel, but definitely Apple is working on minimizing or completely removing the bezel, bringing it closer to the impression of having a single screen. The exact release date, price and specifications of the device are still to be revealed, but I am super excited for it and I would love to know your thoughts about this down below in the comment sections. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.